Top 5 Healthy Drinks to Start Your Day. Starting your day with a healthy drink can set the tone for the rest of the day, providing essential nutrients, hydration, and energy to keep you feeling refreshed and focused. What you consume in the morning plays a vital role in digestion, metabolism, and overall well-being. While many people rely on coffee or sugary drinks to wake up, healthier alternatives offer lasting benefits without unnecessary sugar and caffeine crashes. In this video, we will explore the top 5 healthy drinks that can supercharge your morning routine and contribute to better health. 1. Warm lemon water, a refreshing and detoxifying start. One of the simplest yet most effective morning drinks is warm lemon water. This drink provides a natural source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and hydration, which are essential for overall health. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning helps flush out toxins, supports digestion, and boosts metabolism. The citric acid in lemon aids liver function and enhances the body's ability to eliminate waste. Additionally, it helps alkalize the body, balancing pH levels and promoting a healthier gut environment. To prepare, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. For added benefits, consider adding honey or a pinch of turmeric. 2. Green tea, a natural antioxidant powerhouse. Green tea is a fantastic alternative to coffee, offering a mild caffeine boost without the jitters. Packed with antioxidants, polyphenol, and catechins, green tea supports brain function, metabolism, and heart health. One of its key components, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Green tea also supports weight management by enhancing fat oxidation. Drinking green tea in the morning can improve mental clarity, provide sustained energy, and strengthen the immune system. For an extra nutritional boost, try adding a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of raw honey. 3. Smoothies, a nutrient-dense energy boost. Smoothies are a delicious and convenient way to pack a variety of essential nutrients into one drink. A well-balanced morning smoothie can provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and protein, making it an excellent choice for a complete breakfast replacement. The key to making a healthy smoothie is to incorporate natural, whole ingredients while avoiding added sugars. A great combination includes leafy greens, such as spinach or kale, fruits, like bananas, berries, or mangoes, protein sources, such as Greek yogurt, nut butter, or plant-based protein powder, and healthy fats, like chia seeds, flax seeds, or avocado. Blending these ingredients with almond milk, coconut water, or plain water creates a refreshing, energy-boosting drink that keeps you full and focused throughout the day. 4th, golden milk, a healing and anti-inflammatory elixir. Golden milk, also known as turmeric milk, is a traditional Ayurvedic drink with powerful health benefits. This warm beverage is made by combining turmeric with milk, dairy or plant-based, and other spices like black pepper, ginger, and cinnamon. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound known for its ability to boost immunity, support digestion, and improve brain function. Drinking golden milk in the morning helps reduce inflammation, enhance mood, and promote relaxation. The black pepper in golden milk enhances curcumin absorption, making this drink even more beneficial. To prepare, heat a cup of milk, add a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and other spices of choice, then sweeten with honey if desired. 5. Coconut water, natural hydration and electrolyte balance. Coconut water is an excellent morning drink for hydration and replenishing electrolytes. It is packed with essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which help maintain fluid balance and support muscle function. Unlike sugary sports drinks, coconut water provides a natural way to stay hydrated without artificial additives. It is especially beneficial for those who engage in morning workouts, as it helps restore lost electrolytes and prevents dehydration. Drinking coconut water on an empty stomach can aid digestion, improve skin health, and boost energy levels. For added flavor and nutrition, consider mixing it with fresh lime juice or blending it into a smoothie.